Little video update of the wooden stairs. Notice there's many more vertical posts or barriers. Now this area over here, we're still adding some more. This area here, that's the way we plan on leaving it now. We've added some to the inside. And we have some more to add here. Notice we also have this railing down here. Oops. And from the outside, see how this looks with all the little diamonds. Still have a piece to add right here. Just took a measurement of that. So we'll be doing that next. Added this piece here. Now here's where we're going to add another one right here, and through here, so this area still needs more. But you can see how it's coming together. It's got a lot of character to it. Looking really good. And it's getting really sturdy too. All these supports are, even though they're really for design, are adding a lot of support. So we're still working on the center area here. We need to add some here. And then we have some ideas here. We also have a top that we're going to be putting on here that was made years ago. And we still have one here and then one over here yet. But otherwise it's coming really good. We want to keep moving on it because the weather's getting nicer, and really would like to wrap this up before we start the outside projects.